It has to go viral because people ain't doing this.
They're
not doing it, and you lot need to start doing it for the community. Come out, you lot have.
Levers, all of that. Yeah, chop up, all of that. Levers. Okay, I'm gonna give it 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back and how much you serving this? Free. What? Hey. Bumper guy said the whole pot. Yeah, you can have no.
You're getting the belly.
Tell them again.
You're getting the belly. There's nothing missing. There's seasonings, thyme, chocho, yam, everything, sweet potato, corn. You're getting the belly.
Hey.
Up to the people. Up.
Just good stuff. Yeah, come on, family. Come on. Enjoy it.
It's hot. Get more nasty. Boom.
I believe in peace and love. I'm just an artist. I'm just out here. Get me in Brixton.
Alright.
See, not English thing this.
Yeah, this ain't.
Yeah?
This ain't no Heinz.
No Heinz.
No
Heinz. No. What's this? No.
It's not Heinz.
No
No tomato. No tomato. That.
No bachelors. No
You get me?
bachelors.
I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'll probably get a wife as well while I'm at it, man. You ain't got no friends? Or like a sister, a cousin, or auntie, or... Wow. I like a snow bunny, you get me? They're good for me. Winter, summer, all of that. Fall, all the...
He still sticks by us and come and sits out here with us when he's got his time to come and sit in the sun with us. He's a part of the community.
I love that. Hey, Andre, big up
So I
yourself,
had to
my
bring you
brother.
over.
Big up yourself. Listen, hey, be careful, it's hot, my brother.
All right, tell me to hold it and bring it back over.
Yeah, let her bring.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, see when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision.
Yes, everybody, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision. I just want to make an announcement here. So we've done a 10 weeks, and then after the 10 weeks, we've now started a marathon. And in the marathon now, everyone, what's actually happening, I want to just tell you guys, that we're going all the way up until Christmas, but guess what? We've actually fed 7,125 people, in the time period, because I've done the calculation.
Congrats.
This weekend.
Come on.
You get me, Fen? I
Come
told
on.
you that I was going to do the calculations, so I've done the calculations, and that's where we are, people.
So we're nearly at 10,000.
We're nearly at 10,000, and we're on our journey to 1 million. Our
Okay.
good vibes, Today on the menu, look, we've got the pumpkin in the pot, we've got corn laid out on the side, and we've got an array of vegetables here that we're going to be using for our vegetable soup today to give back to the local community of Brixton and help out the homeless and the needy, everybody here. Big up yourself. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision. Our good vibes.
Jeez.
I'm gonna step out.
Wow, so look at this, people, So man, we're live, we're here, we're in Brixton, people, Let me just spin the camera around and look a bit. You understand? So you can see you are going. You understand? We're in the market, we're on Electric Avenue. We're about to start cooking. Actually, we've got the pumpkin in the pot already. You understand? We've come to a few different market stalls today just to get our ingredients and our things them that we're going to be cooking. You understand? Our good vibes. This was one of... Wow, go on, big man, you right? Yes. Everything cool. Everything sorted out this morning, Thank you. Our good vibes. And then we went to the stall down there as well. Man, we're going to head out onto the mains in Brixton and we're going to touch Windrush Square. This is where the main spot is that I've located where the homeless are. So our good vibes, man, So we've got Fen there gearing up, you understand? We've got Beth, which is a special guest today. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, I've got a special guest on the program today.
Hey guys.
Beth, big up yourself. And Beth, I just want you to just introduce yourself and just tell everyone a little bit of what you do.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Beth. I am a professional dancer, but I also do a lot of foundation and volunteering work, and I also work in healthcare. I love what Ringo's doing. This is literally, it touched my heart as soon as I saw it. I love to get involved and to help people. So yeah.
And tell everyone what you've been doing in Africa.
So I have my own foundation in Ghana at the moment. I'm hoping to branch out eventually, but I'm just working on my website at the moment because we do a lot of construction and helping people pay for school fees and the kids, health insurance, clean water supply, and we've recently just built 4 classrooms for a school. So.
Well done, well done. All right, people, yeah, you hear a little bit more from Beth later on.
Yes,
all right, so we're here. You understand? We're on Electric Avenue. Our good vibes, our good vibes, our good vibes, our good vibes. Today we're making the vegetable soup, and we've got corn, we've got... So today, yeah, our mission, yeah, is to try and feed at least 75 people to 100 people.
Yes.
So we've hit 7,125 people so far. Big up yourself, friend.
Come on, man. Big up yourself as well, Ringo, man.
Yeah.
You get me? Because you know what it is? Even when you announce feeding 1 million, it kind of seems impossible. You know, like thinking, how are we going to achieve this?
But this is like clockwork, friend. You know,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we're counting the numbers up.
Yes.
Some days we do a lot, some days we do less.
Yeah.
But the aim of the game, yeah, is to be feeding every day now.
Yes, bro.
So every day now, even when we're not out feeding the homeless and feeding the needy,
Yes.
people that want food that's amongst our social circle, because
Yeah.
we're chefs,
Yeah.
we'll be feeding them too.
Yes.
As and when we can.
Yes, as and when we can, and helping out. Because even if it's 5 people one day, 10 people one day, it all adds up. You know what I mean, my bro?
That-
it all tallies up, bro.
That is it. And then we have our structured days like today,
Yeah.
where we're going out and we're tackling it.
That's right.
You see it? So like
Yeah.
there's 3 days a week. Just want to announce to everyone, we're going to be going out 3 days a week from now until December,
Yes.
tackling it.
Yes.
And we're going to be in Brixton. For look, we're here in
Look where we
Brixton.
are. Look where we are, man. You know what I mean? Main Brixton. So yeah.
Electric Avenue's right there.
And what we're going to do, we're going to tour around the whole of Brixton as well. Obviously, we've been focused on Windrush Square, but we're going to go around the whole of Brixton, you know what I mean? So like all up Cold Harbour Lane, near Loughborough 5 Ways, we're going down to Brixton Road, Vassal Road, because we know our area and we know where the people them need to eat. So we're going to get that mission accomplished.
That is it. Our good vibes. Big up yourself, people, yeah? We're outside. All right, everyone. So what's happening right now, yeah? I'm just adding some flavors to the pot, and basically I'm gonna start off by just using some garlic today as well. First ingredients that I'm gonna start. Woo! You see that smoke?
Smell it and it smells nice.
Look.
You smell it
And
already.
all that's in the pot right now, you know, friend, is just some pumpkin, you know. That's all I've got in the pot right now, is some pumpkin. I put some more garlic in. Wait there, before I put the garlic in, I just want to put a red onion in.
So some red onion now we're cutting up, yeah?
Yeah, so red onion, yeah, is very good for you as well. And it's gonna also add towards the flavour as well. And it's a natural seasoning as well, everyone, yeah?
Yes.
So come in and have a look closely and see what's happening.
See the magic.
Can you see, look, you see how the pumpkin's soft?
Yes.
The pumpkin's ready to just like break apart in the pot. So it's a good vibe, you know, friend.
Good vibes.
So I'm gonna throw 2 onions in straight away, and this will just like get our thing going right now. You understand?
Right.
Yes, everybody, that is it. Our good vibes. You can cut right now. Pick up yourself. What's happening right now? We're just adding like the flavors to the pot, which is like the onion. And big up Beth on camera as well, everyone. Beth, tell the people them what.
She likes what's going on. She's
Hi, guys.
inquisitive.
No, so basically the food that I'm cooking today is to give to the homeless. Yeah, it's for the homeless people. So what I'm doing now is just preparing some peppers, some beef peppers, we call them back home. So we're gonna add some beef peppers into the pot, and this is just like a seasoning process. And what this does is just add some natural flavors to the pot today. We're gonna add some more thyme as well, some thyme there. We're gonna also add some carrot as well into the pot. I am washing this. I have water here. So after even I prep, I have the drain here. I'm standing by. That's why I choose to stand by the drain today, so that I can wash and everything goes into the drain straight away. I've got a bin right opposite me there, quickly, and I'm just.
What was calling again?
On the street.
Viral settings. Oh, which man are on the street with the pot and I feed the homeless? I like Ringo.
True.
I see them I do that. So he's just grating the carrot now.
We're in Brixton. Did you both?
So as you can
Yeah,
see,
we're
the
cooking
vegetables are washed up.
We're cooking some. Yes, Ben. So what I'm doing right now, yeah, I'm just gonna add some corn into the pot.
So you put some corn, because you know the people them love the corn, you
They
know.
love the corn. Thing,
Yeah.
I have to add the corn to the pot as well. Good vibe.
Good vibes.
Just give it a quick rinse.
Give it a
there.
quick rinse. And another one, yeah?
Yeah, I've got like 4 corn today, and I'm gonna cut them up here in like small little pieces.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, people, look at all the people that's amazed. Everyone's just standing like, raw, what's going on there?
Alright, Ben, so what I'm doing here, I'm just adding some peppers into the pot quickly, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and after I add the peppers in here,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some turnip, then I'm gonna put some, I got some chocho as well, Ben.
Got some chocho there, yeah?
Yeah, so the sweet pepper now. So you see the sweet pepper here is like
Yeah.
a natural seasoning.
Yeah. The sweet pepper's like a natural seasoning, yeah?
Yes.
It's
Natural.
what I noticed that you do with all the pots though.
Yeah.
I don't see you put no preservatives in there, no
No.
salt, nothing. It's just
Don't they put that on, do you?
straight ayatul.
Yeah, just straight eye open.
Straight ayatul.
Yeah. Don't take.
Whoa, that's on camera. This is what happens sometimes. Not everything goes to plan. Sometimes things drop. You get me? Come on, show them the real life, bro.
Hold on.
Sturdy hand, Dante. Sturdy hand, Dante. Balance. We need balance. Balance it. Balance.
Yes, Ben.
Here we go. What do you like?
Huh? How much the yard style? Okay, good.
I tell you, no, it's so soup in it, you know. On the street, you know, I never see before, you know. Go back home, you know, and then here.
What you say, big man? The first time you seen soup cooked on the street, yeah?
Oh, nothing yard enough, man.
Ah.
Big man, go on that. Bless. You think?
So I've been yard, no. That's it. Good vibes. So as you can see, people, pot's boiling, bubbling up, starting to bubble up. You see the smoke coming out, the steam coming out of the pot, should I say. Just got the carrots going.
Alright, so last carrot Dante. Don't make it run there. Yeah.
Tekkers, Dante. Where's the Tekkers? Yes, auntie.
I can smell that all the way down there.
Yeah, for real. Good vibes. You alright, yeah?
So you can smell it from down the street.
How come you're doing this? That's so good. Oh, that's so good. Like you're actually making the Brixton market smell of the soup. I followed the smell.
Oh, did
Wow.
you?
Yeah.
Good
Oh,
vibes.
so that's so good of you to feed the homeless.
Yeah, this is for the homeless today.
They're gonna get the bellies today.
You're gonna get the belly today.
They don't even know what they're about to get. It's got everything in it. You're not even holding back because a lot of these places they hold back because it's for the homeless.
Yeah.
But you're not holding back. I can see thyme, everything, corn, even corn.
Yeah. Everything, yeah? Yam, everything. Pumpkin.
Even yam, everything.
Pumpkin, everything.
Good auntie.
Cho-cho, everything.
Try as well.
Yeah.
Go on. Right, homeless people, you're getting the belly.
Tell them again.
You're getting the belly. There's nothing missing. There's seasonings, thyme, cho-cho, yam, everything, sweet potato, corn. You're getting the belly.
Hey.
Up to the people.
up.
Up
This is pumpkin there.
to the
With the
people
pumpkin, so we'll
then.
just mash out the pumpkin like so.
Up to the people
And I
then.
give it a colour now. So
in order to avoid this,
now we're not using no noodles today. Nah, pumpkin.
And I know good.
It's a pumpkin. Straight pumpkin.
I told Ting that. Yeah.
Thank you, yeah. See you later. Bye.
Look, you're getting it. You're getting it.
last year, I told you know, love this time. Find me back home, you know.
Love my brother. You alright, Pops? You alright?
So friend, come in. So what I'm doing, I'm peeling the cho-cho.
So you're peeling up the cho-cho, yeah?
Yes. This cho-cho is some funny cho-cho. You realize?
Yeah, it don't look too good, does it?
No, but this.
Yes, uncle, you alright?
16K likes.
Tell them to keep running it up.
Keep going, guys. Thank you for the love.
That's it, keep running it up.
Yes.
What do you need, auntie?
We need the love price now.
Can you do it for us, please?
Yes.
Because we ain't perfected it yet.
Okay.
So you're gonna teach us, yeah?
I like it.
Alright, thank you, auntie. See you later.
Now you're local, come out.
In it, Ringo, they come out if they're local. Come and help.
Come out and hand out the food.
Help your community. Come and help the community. That's it. So, got Dante here now, obviously cleaning up. We clean up and put our rubbish in a bag. We don't litter.
Albania.
Dash that as well.
We got Albania.
Big up Albania. What part of nuts? What part?
Belfast.
Once again, so Finn, what I'm doing, I'm just adding some yam into the pot from early.
Yeah.
And these ones are gonna just boil out and, you understand? We're gonna add some more yam later on down.
Good vibes. Pot's looking colourful now, Ringo.
Huh?
It's looking colourful now.
You say it's
Can
looking
you show us quickly what's going on in there? Okay. Wow, look at the pumpkin. Pumpkin's it's broken out now.
broken down.
Broken down now, and you can see the colour.
That's it.
And that's how the base of the colour of the soup is formulated through the pumpkin.
That's it.
Good
And then what we're
vibes.
gonna do now is add some more corn.
Okay. So you can never get enough corn, innit?
Now they love it.
They love
People that love the
it.
corn. You see if there's no corn, that's calm.
We're feeding the homeless. We're feeding the homeless.
Now,
Wow. Oh, don't look at me.
You're famous now, Auntie.
I'm not auntie. I'm the only.
So we're cooking the Caribbean soup at the moment. It's called the Ayatul soup.
American soup. Okay.
Caribbean.
Okay, Caribbean soup. Okay.
Yeah, Jamaican style.
So obviously you have corn
Yes.
and spring onions,
Yes, scallion.
scallion.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what we call
where are you
it.
from?
Where do you think?
America.
Yes.
Where in Texas?
No, don't put me as a Texan.
I think you're from Virginia,
No, I'm not the South.
From Alabama, man.
West Coast.
You don't know your state.
You're from New York.
No,
We have to guess. Dante, guess what?
no.
Illinois.
Chicago.
You're not saying Illinois. You're supposed to say Illinois, not Illinois. Illinois.
Sound like you say noise.
No, Illinois. I know what I'm saying. It's him.
Where are you from?
I'm from Illinois.
No, I guessed it. Come on, people. I know the accent. You come international, innit? So obviously I know the thing is in me.
I'm about 65 miles west of Chicago.
Okay. Chirac.
A long time. Married an Englishman. That's why I'm here. For my sin. That's
What's the difference like of culture between Chicago and the UK? Like, sorry, in America and the UK, the difference, or Chicago and London?
They're all different. Everybody has a different, it depends what part of like Chicago and some
Yeah.
parts of UK.
Yeah.
We're all different. Like the northern part of North London is different from South London.
Yeah.
Quite a difference. Oh, and you're, what is this?
What do you prefer? Do you prefer the UK or do you prefer back home? Come on, tell us. Please.
Some things I like here and some things I like in the States.
Ah.
The energy of the people is different for me.
They're more straight. You know exactly where they're coming from. They don't don't say.
You don't look down underneath their glasses.
Pardon?
You don't look down their glasses.
No, we don't look down because my father said, don't ever judge a book by its cover.
Okay. Can I ask you another question? Who are you, Biden or Trump?
I'm not. I don't want
Neither.
either
It's
one.
not
You
Biden.
stupid man.
It's not Biden.
You wanna
Kamala
get-
Harris.
you
Kamala-
wanna get- hey,
Kamala
you wanna-
Harris.
Hey,
Kamala Harris or Trump?
I don't.
I like
either
Trump.
one.
I like Trump.
No, ew.
Trump's a G.
No,
I like him better than all of them.
No.
Big
You're
up
lying.
Trump.
You're actually lying.
No,
I'm not lying.
it's best not to do that.
Do you know why?
Let's keep.
I wouldn't do that here.
No, hey,
It's good for.
yes.
Have you ever cooked with green banana?
I never cooked it. No,
Okay, so basically.
I've eaten bananas, but not cooked it.
But so basically, the green banana, what we can do, because it's got so much iron in it and like potassium, what we do is we cook it in the skin. So we wash it in the skin, and just cut it in small circles and put it in the pot.
So why are you having pictures taken of you doing this? The video of this.
It's
To spread awareness.
Spread awareness. We're trying to go to like donations to help the homeless and everything like that. So
And for YouTube,
spread the love.
that's reality for YouTube.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right. That's cool. That's cool.
So have you seen anything like this back home in America?
No, because
okay.
where I lived, I worked. I'm from a large university town, so you wouldn't see this.
Okay.
Have a look, everyone. This is what's
And
happening.
I lived in Colorado, which is the mountains. And I
Okay.
used to do cross-country skiing in the winter.
Put green banana
And in the
Nice.
summer, I used to play tennis.
Also, what
Nice.
we do as well,
And
we do like a green banana out
in LA, I hated LA. I would never want to see that place again.
Good vibes.
No, you walk down the street. What do you?
So what I'm doing now is just add the rest of the ingredients. Do you have any leek in it? Do I have leek? Leek. Leek is. Okay, yeah, we might. I was looking for leeks as well. Yeah. Yeah, the leeks is good too. I might actually go and get some.
Sometimes you put coconut juice to make it.
Got coconut.
But you don't have any breakdown. What are you going to use to?
Don't worry, we got it there.
I'm cooking some vegetable soup.
Still could have some if you wanted.
No, I'm just wondering why.
Homeless don't mean you have to homeless. It mean if you're hungry, you want soup, they give you. I come back from my soup within 15 minutes. I know. 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, because it's vegetable, but we like to put an extra love into it. So we don't rush it. We just take our time and make it boil, you understand?
You need to compliment and strain at a strain to put it in the pot.
You have to watch the style, big man. You have to watch the style there and catch the style there.
You need garlic in it.
Plus, we're gonna have some food ready in the next 30 minutes. Yeah, it's free, yeah.
Make sure you come back.
Where are you from? Where are you from? What's your nationality?
I am Richard Brown.
Yeah.
I am Richard Brown. I'm the author for the book and the film about that same soup.
Okay.
Run away to Kingston.
How's the colours?
Beautiful.
Alright, a good vibe. So what I'm gonna do now,
Yeah, I put soup, man. Love, bro.
Alright. Let me come back when it's
Alright, come back when you're ready, yeah? No problem, boss. Good vibe.
should have told him to give you one. You'd have told me that.
You swap one for a suit.
No. You'd have told me that.
See that dopping behind in the rust.
But I was on this.
You know what I mean? He's a fantastic.
Yeah. Hey, Bubbler. Yo, we need security on the left, you know. Yeah? Oh, the security retired.
In it?
Yeah, you have to be around us, cuz. Hey there. He's that. Hey, Ringo. Hey, Ringo.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
go on. What you saying?
A good
You
vibe.
come to see us? You sure?
Yeah. You was there the other day when you was there. Yeah, you missed him.
I missed him.
Hey! Super cook. Super cook.
I'm taking this in here. I ain't allowed to make this.
Are you taking it in there?
Yeah,
All
send me
right.
a list of what's in it.
The ingredients then.
Yeah.
See that guy there, yeah? See that guy is saying I should use loads of garlic, yeah? I've got so much garlic. Look, I'm going, if you've been watching from the start, you've seen how much garlic I've added, and you see that I'm going in again with the garlic. So everyone, if you're watching wherever you are watching from in the world, big up yourself, one love. Just a quick announcement, we've fed 7,125 people so far. Good vibes.
That's up there.
Yeah.
Yo, that's good.
Coming. Yes, everyone, look at this, yeah. So easy way, just keep still. The easy way out to come closer. Easy way out to peel yam is simple like this. You can see from the formation that I'm using is from literally from top to bottom, from one end to the next end, and literally going down underneath the first layer of skin, that rough skin, and just getting that rough skin off. And then before you know it, we have yam that's ready to be boiled, literally. The bottom of the yam, you just cut off around the bottom. Just keep going, just like this. Is simple. Very simple how to prepare yam, everybody, yeah? Just like this. That is it. Puna white yam from Ghana are good vibes.
So what am I so there again? You know,
Bro, I went to the other day, you didn't come. You didn't come back.
Busy, bro. I was busy. Everything good? Yeah.
Right, yeah. That now, Ringo?
This is fresh.
So this is some coconut. So Beth, can you describe how the coconut tastes?
Go right, taste.
Yeah, I want you to describe it, and I want Ben to describe it as well. I'm gonna give Ben it as well, so that you lot can tell the viewers what's going on.
You say taste test.
Taste test.
Alright, go
Oh,
on,
you
you
go
first.
first.
No, ladies first. Ladies first.
Let me subscribe coconut. Actually, for the coconut.
Yeah, you go first. Actually. And you've tasted it already.
Go
I'll
on.
describe it.
Describe.
So basically, yeah, it tastes. It's not as fresh. It's not as fresh as you would get it from overseas. But I can't lie, it tastes nice. Tastes nice.
Go, give me more. Give me 10 minutes.
I think about
10 minutes.
joking.
Everyone's lingering, they're like, I want some. No, it's nice.
But yeah, it tastes nice.
It's cooking some vegetable soup still.
We win a coconut.
Yeah. Coconut in there.
I like how they would get coconut cream in that. Yeah, it tastes nice though, but it could be fresh though.
Alright, let me describe coconut because they don't know how to describe coconut. So the coconut's got a creamy taste, everybody,
It's not
yeah?
that good.
It's got a creamy taste and it also, it's got a nutty flavour because it's coconut. You understand? And then also as well, it's rich. It's a rich
taste.
It's a rich taste. So them taste bud now work. We've got a man and a woman, and neither of them taste bud now work.
He said it tastes nutty. Why for that?
Yeah. And,
Love the splash.
and then at the same time,
That tastes nutty.
and at the same time as well.
Chef, he describes it differently, you understand?
All right, a good vibe. So look, let's add more coconut. But I just said nut.
I do, man. But I know what Ringo did say though. He did this like with a rich taste. And you know what? For soup, yeah, like it's gonna give it the blend and the flavour to enhance. Yeah, because obviously it's true what you're saying, isn't it? We have to be able to explain ourselves properly. A good vibe. But yeah, man.
It's hot now, you know. Here. That lady over there really wants something. We've been here this whole time.
I'm cooking some vegetable soup.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Adding some. It's cooking for the homeless.
Thank you, guys.
Get the spaceship just to drive out. You say because it cut out? Because it cut out. It's floating, isn't it? As soon as you have the other day.
The way the sun is sunning on that makes it look wrong.
Yeah, that's cool.
The sun's not.
O Ramon consegue fazer com que o Reinaldo seja feliz.
So what I'm doing now, I'm prepping the okra, cut off each end from the woo!
Don't worry, man. The floor have to eat some as well. They're hungry.
Ancestors,
We're feeding the ancestors as well.
ancestors them there, innit? Some homeless ones.
Some homeless ancestors as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah, fighting on the battlefield.
Yeah.
Come on. Yes, everybody. So look, this is like look we're finishing, and then what I'm gonna do now, yeah, after I finish this, add the magic formula, friend. What's the magic formula?
Ringo Vision mix.
That is it.
Come on. Ringo Vision mix.
You right, love?
Man's making up soup in a one trolley.
One trolley.
Yeah.
One trolley, one heater, one bag,
That's
hella
it.
vegetables. I'm loving this.
Let me show you the pot. Let me show you the pot.
Yeah.
You must want to see inside the pot. Friend, give me a little stir there, friend.
Let's give it a little stir, please.
I wanna one. How long gonna take to this?
Right, 20 minutes.
cool. I can do my shopping and that.
Everyone that comes, you give them a different timing.
Yeah, obviously, the later it gets, but see that, yeah? You like the way it's running, you like the way everything I run. Listen, man, original. Man took a one trolley and a one thing, cooker. I mean, you don't stop, bro. This is good. There's got the okra in there, the potato, everything.
Yeah,
Scotch bonnet, yeah, you have to have that. Yes, corn we have. Oh, okay, like this? Yeah, man, it's the corn floating. A green banana we have chop up. Yeah. You got the fresh thyme, everything. Yeah, man. Wow. Red onion.
Coconut as well.
Wow. Wow, you know that, brother?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, come on.
All of that.
Vegetable. Yeah, I
Proper. That sample. Then one part I really want to put my head in it. Boom. And just take a little dive in. Yeah, just dive in. I'm gonna get my armbands on and just be back in the. How long you say? 20 minutes? Yeah. Flavors. Listen, the white guy, you know. Listen, proper shit. Listen, that the salt and pepper is, you know what you work with. This is all. Good. I'm traveling about you. Oh yeah, traveling, but this is proper. This is, I can see my man is doing something different. Epic. You ready for this one? You're ready for this one? You're gonna wait. Are you helping out? Yeah. Oh, she's with you, look. You're okay. I thought she was with you. I thought she was one lamppost. Just modeling. She's our icon story. Oh, that's it. You should have put on one tune and make her dance to the, you get me? To the flavors, all of that. Yeah, chop up, all of that. Flavors. Okay, I'm gonna give it 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back and how much you serving this? Free. What? Hey. Bumba guy said the whole pot. Yeah, you can have the whole pot. I ain't homeless. I wish I was home more, but I'm homeless. To be fair, I'm going somewhere else.
You can try it. You can make it a donation.
I'll give you dough. Yeah. Obviously,
I'll a donation, isn't it?
Yeah. To whatever you're doing. Yeah. Come on, bro. I'm not thingy, but
we still bashing yourself still.
Yeah.
Lack of
this
energy.
looks good.
This
looks good. I'm here for it. I'll probably get a wife as well when I'm at it, man. You ain't got no friends? Or like a sister, a cousin, or auntie, or... Wow. I like a snow bunny, you get me? They're good for me. Winter, summer, all of that. Fall, all the things. Wow. I need this one. Okay, 20 minutes, I'm gonna be back and black. Yeah, come on, let's go for it. Let's go.
Love, bro.
Let's celebrate family, I'm gonna be back. I'll give you some money. Because you're supporting the families and supporting the homeless. I respect you guys. I'm gonna be back.
He's hilarious. He's hilarious.
We need to get him involved in some filming.
He said, wow. So coming. So I'm joined here with Beth, Fen, and
Chrissy.
Just tell the people who you are.
Hello, my name is Pearcey Tiki. I'm an artist. You can catch me on all platforms, all over. I believe in peace and love. I'm just an artist. I'm just out here. You get me in Brixton.
Alright, big up Chrissy.
Big up Ringo.
Yeah, come on, a good vibes. You understand? Chrissy came in today and made a donation. So I just wanted to thank her for making the donation. And Chrissy, we've so far fed 7,125 people.
That's
so
amazing.
Today we hope to feed the next 100 or 75 at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, good vibes. On the mission to 1 million.
Come on, that's what it's all about. Good vibes, good love.
That's it. And then we're joined here with Beth as well. She's a dancer and she's also been working with various different countries around the world and just putting back into humanity. She's travelled to Ghana and other parts of the world. Tell them what you've been doing, Beth.
Tell them, Beth.
So I have my own foundation called the Health Support Foundation in Ghana. We focus on building something which is stable. So we do construction. So we built 4 classrooms for schools that didn't have enough capacity for kids. We've also paid for kids' education for their yearly school fees. Clean water supply, fixing boreholes so villagers can have clean water supply, and health insurance. So that's kind of what we're focusing on right now, and we're hoping to fundraise.
So there you go, everyone. We're young entrepreneurs, and we believe in humanity and giving back to life, and everyone around us matters. Each and everyone that's breathing, we believe in giving back and helping and supporting everyone that's inside of this world. living in the home together. This is our home.
Yes, that's right.
It's a big,
Universe is our home.
it's a big family.
Hello.
Well, go on. It's a big family. It's a big family. It's a big family. So
You're right.
Yeah, we're
man,
all
a
one
good
big
vibe.
family.
A good vibe. A good vibe. That is
Goodbye,
it.
boys.
Yeah, man.
Karen, what happened?
Flavors. I had a flavor, everything. And it's good to giving back. Yes. To giving back to the people.
One last thing, big man.
No meat.
No meat, no dumpling.
Just good items, just good stuff. Yeah, come on family, come on. Enjoy it.
Alright, chat. Get one last thing. Boom. I had a cold.
Listen, how was it last week? How was it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay.
Because I was moaning at first.
Give me 10 out of 10.
I was moaning at first because I like dumpling. That man told me they don't come with dumpling.
It don't, but it come with flavors. Look at it. Try one.
Gary still.
In the pit team. You look like on a moonwalk on MJ this.
I had a cold last week. It went.
Yeah. If you're out of work and if he's struggling, we don't try to answer the way.
Homeless, you have to make a contribution. Just naturally, because I spend money to
That makes sense. To see if it's gold, they
Makes sense. That makes sense. Makes sense.
Just give a little
You have to change it at the bank.
I don't know. Can you do that at the bank?
Yeah, I'm happy to get like, take this and then just change it at the bank.
You're elder, so I good vibe too.
I look at that £10.
Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate you.
I tell you, maybe my fingers are going to
Let's see what it is.
We'll have to change it by
You're going to have to change it.
At the bank.
No,
at the bank. You gotta take it to the bank.
Have to change it at the bank.
You gotta take it to the bank, innit? The bank take it.
Okay.
I give him one thing for me.
What's this thing called?
Ringo Vision on PayPal, yeah? Ringo, R-I-N-G-O. Sir. Vision. Alright.
No. You sure you don't want to? All of them?
I'm going to give you a $5 for the show.
It's for the homeless.
My donation, I give my donation.
It's for the homeless.
Me?
It's for the homeless.
For the homeless.
Child cook up and tell them about this and give you a cup, yeah?
You want a spoon?
Okay, homeless now, now go over homeless, go give it. Yeah, to them people, you understand?
Yeah, man, me just try this though.
Thank you very much. You're so.
I'm good, sir.
One love.
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah, I'm good soul.
Let's go.
The princess.
Yeah, so the kitchen's on the go now, good vibe. So we're just pushing all the windows square. So you see that Brixton's a very, very active place. Yeah, man, we're just going up to Windrush Square right now. We just hand out the rest of the suit. Friends got the pulley. You understand? A good vibe.
Good vibes.
Yeah, it's my team life. I'm happy about this. Because you're doing food.
Vegetable soup.
You like some soup? You struggling? Would you like some soup?
I'm not struggling, nothing, mate.
I'm just saying, if we're trying to get back.
I'm not a beggar.
I didn't know when I seen you.
send you a big one. He's awesome now.
No, that's an insult. That's an insult, alright, yeah? I don't, listen. I've been in London for 47 years.
He's even got you. Yes, give me a touch. He thought you was going to hit him. Give me a touch.
Hello, love. Give me a touch and we have to go now. I'm not getting off.
Alright, come, let's go.
Big man. Trying to do a little soup. Would you like a little soup? Yeah. Just trying to give a little something back to the people then. How are you though, family? You okay?
Yes. Well done, big man. One love. You too.
Okay, you gotta get them soup.
You gonna get them soup.
There's man over there as well. Yeah. Last time you ate the other day.
Where they been?
You're gonna bring it to me. Over there, there's my man. She's gonna bring it.
Now we'll go over there too.
We'll bring it to you. Don't worry. We'll bring it. I'm on table service.
I guess some. We got
Super small.
I nearly dashed the pepper on there.
It's hot.
Oh, like.
That is the soup. And who else? Those
My man over there, yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna go.
Not for the homeless. For the homeless. But if you wanna donate, for the homeless.
If you wanna donate, I respect my family. We're
It's your birthday.
trying to give back. Whose birthday?
Come get a soup for your birthday.
Every day your birthday.
You want a soup for your birthday? You want a soup for your birthday? Come have a soup for your birthday. Come get one. Come have a soup for your birthday.
What's he doing now? It's my birthday.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's your birthday tomorrow.
No, it's the same. Yes, family.
Thank you, man.
Yes,
Thank
man.
you,
You're
guys.
more than
man.
welcome.
Thank
You're
you,
more
guys.
than
Blessings,
welcome.
guys.
Come on, man. We're trying to do something nice.
Oh, that is good, man.
More than good.
I'm good. I got, and it's my grandson.
Oh, I love that. I love
So
that.
yeah, Sandy got in the house.
I know you, yeah.
And yeah, we have to pick up the
She's on
celebrants
TV.
right here that's doing amazing
Yeah.
work for the
Go on,
homeless.
talk to her,
And this is about, I'm coming
Big up
together
Sandy.
and
Give back to the
give
community.
back
Thank
to
you very much,
community
guys.
24/7.
Smells good.
They don't do that, and I've been
so what's
telling
this
them long
item,
time
yeah?
ago. Kick them.
Okay.
But yeah.
Cheese and that.
You know that still. Yeah. You have to big him up, man. Big him up. You know what I'm doing? It has to go viral because enough people ain't doing this. They're not doing it, and you lot need to start doing it for the community. Come out, you lot's house.
What's your name again?
Sandy. Bogle, aka Sandy Bogle.
AK the realest.
Wow.
What a woman. What a woman. Thank you.
And I will taste some. Yeah. I know I'm out in the community.
You have to taste some.
And if I don't, then something's wrong, innit?
A little one thing.
A little sweet corn and thing in there.
Everything.
Hey, you know this thing.
Oh, Muffin Sprouts. See? Let's go.
Yes, go. My daughter, hold this for me, please. Hold that. Hold this, Jojo.
I want to honest.
Let me get on camera.
You have to zoom in on it first. Zoom in on it first. Make them see what. See, not English thing. This.
Yeah, this ain't.
Yeah?
This ain't no Heinz.
No Heinz. No. What's this? No.
It's not Heinz.
No
tomato. No tomato.
No bachelors.
Mushroom of cream, whatever that bumper clay is.
Lord, okra in there?
Yeah.
I keep telling you, look, man.
Banging in it. Banging.
Flavors.
What? Wow.
Sweet. Go for. We won't give the homeless. Hey, big man. Bingo.
Thank you very much.
She might marry you down. She might marry you down for the chefing.
Bring back some memories.
She might marry you.
Brother with the girl them, yeah? They can't stay
Yeah,
away.
yeah, yeah. From a man that can
And
cook.
my man this.
A man that can cook.
And you know I'm single.
Not for
And I'm
very
always
long.
cooking, now I don't have to.
Not for very long.
But it's nice.
Thank you very much.
Don't you love it?
Big up yourself.
King, you have a little. You want to try in front of the camera? Let them know.
Alright, that's enough.
No, that's enough. You're too handsome for the camera, yeah?
He's camera shy.
He camera shy.
I love it.
Yeah.
Guys,
Come
absolutely
on, let's try
amazing.
it.
Right.
Absolutely amazing. I ain't going too far.
If there's a second, if there's a... Bomba class.
I love that. No worries. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Blessings.
Happy birthday, bro.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday. How old are you? 22. Hey, for the girl then, he's 22. You single?
Yeah, he's single, yeah.
I'll go get through mommy first. Yeah?
Oh, there's a lot of singles.
Alright, get through mommy. Alright.
We gotta go through a protocol.
Fresh bro.
We gotta go through a
Fresh
protocol.
bro. Fresh
It's your birthday as well. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? 11.
Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You lot are good. You lot are good. You lot are good people. Thank you very much.
Back.
Listen, people, we're here. Brixton.
Good vibes. I leave the OG then. This guy, you know, he's out in the trenches.
And they're close to there.
Ringo Vision.
Would you like some soup? There's no meat or fish in there.
Thank you. Someone else can do better with it. Thank you for offering. You're more than welcome.
You sure you don't want to try? From what area? Oh no, it's not organization. It's just the Ringo Vision organization. It's the Rico. Rico. Yeah, we just cook it up. And we make it on the road, and we set it, and we give it on the road. That's it. We're not part of anything because the councils and stuff like that. They're not trying to give anything. So we try to do the bits in between, just to help the community. Otherwise, people are gonna struggle, you know. So we just try. Yeah, I know. Yeah. There's a lot of us. There's a lot. I'm not. Yeah. I'm not saying that you are, or I'm just saying people in general. That's right. And the government, the community, they're not trying to help us. So we're just trying to do the smallest of things. It's small for us, but it's going to be a big, major thing for other people. Of course you can.
Some, please?
Yeah.
From the from you, it's a part of the community too as well.
My brother.
Okay.
Cool.
Fine. All right.
Yes, big man. Blessings, man.
Andre.
Big up Andre.
Listen, big up Andre, people. Show some love to Andre. Andre.
Andre is one of the OGs from back in the day too as well, and he still sticks by us and come and sits out here with us when he's got his time to come and sit in the sun with us. He's a part of the community.
I love that. Hey, Andre, big up
So I
yourself,
had to
my
bring you
brother.
over.
Big up yourself. Listen, hey, be careful. It's hot, my brother.
All right, tell me to hold it and bring it back over.
Yeah, let her bring it. But listen, you might not see what's cooking, but you're gonna taste what's cooking. You're gonna be wow, wow. I'm saying, yeah, flavors, all this. Hey, Andre, big up yourself, my brother. What a man.
Cold double lane.
You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome, sweetie.
Like going to summer lane and
Yeah. Okay, people, we're moving. We're moving the food somewhere else. We want to include.
Big man, you want the food?
We're more than included.
like no junk and all that shit.
Yeah. Don't need
I'll
to
pick
look like
myself
it.
up.
Don't need to sit on the road.
Come on, bro.
You get
myself up.
You're trying. You're
Come on,
trying.
man.
I love that.
That's my friend. Big man.
Damn, look at
Big
that,
man.
man. Don't know, man.
Bro. Blessings to
I'm
you.
down, but
Just
same
try
time I
it.
don't need to look down like the rest of them.
Yeah. You'll get you on your feet.
And you know, it will give me strength.
Yeah. I hope this will give you more than strength.
You
blessings
put corn in
and-
it?
Corn in there, man.
Test taste, yeah?
Yeah. Tell me.
Thank you so kind, I say. The spice of life.
Spice of life.
I don't have to be down and out or whatever. I'm just saying, thank you, God, and thank you, people. Yeah. Love. Try that.
Yes, bro. Roll safe, bro.
And I make prayers for you every day. I hope that everything gets better.
So, Miss Skinny.
You're fat. Let's go. Down there. Pull our balloon.
Come, yeah?
I went Croydon the other day. It was a madness. It was a scare. We're in a scare. We're in the park, and you got to go to the next park, and you got to go to the next park. The park that you told me to go to nearby Frontview.
Yes,
Alchemist.
St. George's Street.
So man down there, Clark's family just give them clothes, or doing clothes and blankets, and then sandwiches and that. And then I'm trying to move them into the house. That's my thing.
That's what you're saying.
I shouted them a bit, bro. I shouted them for the Croydon thing. So I went Croydon to just do it. Brixton's me, I like to do the most. So if you see any people that need clothes, just tell them here. I've got clothes here for the man them here. Jeans, tops. And if big girls, I've got clothes for the big girls as well. Any big girls. Boom. Nice.
So
They need shower gel. They need shower gel. And anything like that. Tell them to come in and come get that. Chris, hey, hold on. Wait.
So look, so there's a spot here we can tell them to come to, innit? Oh shit.
Tell them to send the lion and we're still alive. Send the lion and we're still alive.
Bring man in on that. You get me? Man don't want to bring man in on that.
Thank you very much. Gee, look, Ringo.
I appreciate you, my bro. Donations coming in.
Well, you need tea? You need tea?
Everything.
Tea bags.
Let's just lift the whole bag.
You got tea bags?
Huh? Tea bags, just don't put that Arsenal top in there.
Yo, backside, man. You're moving mad, brother.
This is the team.
Come on now.
They're doing well. It's just not everyone
I'm gonna
likes
come
this
later,
shit.
man. You know I got the
Thank you for that.
But food bank I'm busting later, so they need
What time do you bust feedback?
in the evening. So I go around and take up all the stuff from Nando's, Tesco's, the big Tesco's over there.
And big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro, to do all of that.
We need to do a day when we just...
Yeah, all together.
I said to you, bro, I phoned your phone begging like I've got begging because it was on your live guy.
Yeah.
You get me? What do you want?
Anything for food to give away.
No, not food. Hey, Babylon, run. No, Joe.
Wow.
I was about to end the live in it. Yeah, that's
Okay, cool. I'll be safe. I can come straight out of the station.
But if they need clothes,
Yes, boss. We see the book. Come in, man.
Take a bag of shoes. Take a bag of clothes.
Let me get some of the soup. 1 minute.
Nah, it's like, yeah,
There's a spoon there somewhere as well.
So big man, you're gonna give us a book?
That's cool, though.
You wanna read a book? We read books, you know, we're intelligent people. Thank you. I wanna put you on the podcast. What podcast?
Okay.
My podcast, I'm the biggest podcaster out on the road, like, you just don't know it. They just don't know it yet. Table Time Podcast, Rapper Crapper, you know about Rapper Crapper? My version that even my podcast. You've never seen no podcast in the UK. So I got Rapper, I got Emga, I got Ringo, doing the homeless. I got Errol Linton, you know Errol Linton is jazz player.
That book is in Waterstone.
Yeah man, you're gonna come and promote your book on the podcast. Yeah man, y'all got forward.
The fence long, fence is long, don't want to bring man in. You get me?
From the links here, cause you know that already.
Man has a cool come man up.
No, the links are sorry, Terrence, sorry bro, I didn't mean to.
Ben.
Listen, man, brother, though. Good is good. God is good.
No, God is good.
He is good.
God is good.
God is good.
It's just the order, it's all about us making. It was just.
Have we got, hey, Ringo. Got the book. We got the book.
Good man.
You see the book?
We got hats in.
But he gave me the crease up one. You see, he bought it still. Gave me the crease up one. You get me? So we say, Terrence, we need to
That's how you know I'm comfortable in my shop.
I love that, man. I got two different ones, but they're both great though.
See that Windrush? Man was out there on, what day that called? Friday.
Yes.
Yeah, so we done Croydon. Thank you. We done Croydon, and we came down to Brixton. Oh, I said that's something the whole night.
Yo, bro.
See how them man are moving on the road?
She said, bro, she's still just delaying it, innit? I got the Addy, but she says she's not doing it. Bro, I'm literally on the phone to her. Literally like 5 minutes ago, bro. Alright, cool. Let me get time for you, innit?
Yeah,
proper time.
That day,
someone's approach or something.
Alright, cool. We'll say that. I'll tell her. Yeah, cool. Alright, cool. Let me come off the phone and then I'll chat to her now. Alright, cool. Nah, it's outside. Film me. No. For the YouTube stuff, just film some content in it. I'm literally in Brixton. Yeah. But yeah, let me hack about it. I'll call her now.
Flavors. Tell your aunt, tell your grand, tell your neighbor.
I've seen what they do. So if you're saying, oh, you're doing mentoring, boom, 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 and we will help capacity build you. Because now we're going to the private sector to ask them for fees, isn't it? So now we've got the rich donnies on board, and they're saying, no, I'm not having it no more. So this is the t-shirts, the start of it. Boom, boom, boom. We've got a podcast coming out on it. Interviewing people that are doing the work around the end. So yeah, this is the state. Woman just come and just put all the t-shirts, so I'll just line them up.
Love that.
You get me? So literally making stocks the new thing.
Stuff all that young knife crime, all of that. I respect it.
You're ready, bro?
We're trying to help.
That is it. So we've completed. It's been a fabulous day today.
Mission complete.
All the food's been given out.
I'm so happy.
Beth, thank you for coming through today.
Thank you very much.
Good vibe. Dante,
Come on, man.
come on.
To find the people, them to get it.
Yes.
But he's the main guy.
Thank you for the-
But he breaks down everything for me.
Thank you for the things, them, you know.
Come on now, man. Like,
Yeah.
I've got more.
And look, everyone here. Once again. Just tell the people them quickly, yeah. Wagwan. We was out here today. Come.
We're trying, we'll be here.
You gave out the food.
Finish.
Yeah, you gave me some biscuit as well.
Just a little bit. I've got
Yeah,
more.
you understand? So we thank you for that as well.
Nah, press up, man. No, we got to listen. One hand can't clap in it.
One hand can't clap.
And you
Because
know what?
see one on ya? Give me
Yeah.
a hand. Give me a hand.
So I wanted to
Let me
link
show
with
you
man
that
for a
clap.
long time. They
That
get
is
me all
it.
these donnies. These are all the donnies out here that they need a bit of hope. You get me?
Yes.
And got things going on. He's got a name brand, new brand coming out called, what is it called? no man is no behaviour. So we need to support young people like this to help his brand to get off, to get it. So man's gonna help, but he needs to stop drinking and that, and he gets better. He stopped. How long now? How long?
Yes.
2 months.
You're welcome.
My name's George.
George?
Are you finished yours?
George, thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm always around. I did evening standard.
Yes.
Standard.
No, just do, man. I just come out. It's done though, man. What? That's the only thing. George got the last cup.
Yeah.
Listen, I play football. I done
George, have a good day, yeah?
Yeah, and you will.
Yeah, thank you.
God bless.
God bless.
That was not made of it anyway.
Yes.
No, I promise you. I promise you.
A good day today. A good day. A good day. A good day.
Yes.
That is it.
Mission complete.
Mission complete.
Mission complete.
And some people here, today was a good day. Understand? We're here, Brixton. Yeah, man. And now enough soup today. The marathon continues, everybody here. All the way up until Christmas. You saw the numbers. 7,125. That's how we're there with the thing right now. Let's keep going, everybody. Let's try and get this 10K. Yeah? All right. Big up yourself. One love. That is it.